Wala lang. Dikit ka somewhere. Actually, nag-dikit ka. Nag-itch na nga sa first time sa kamay. Na. Pwede pa yung tissue kayo.
Wala tissue. Wala.
Mama, hindi mo to i-post ha.
Talaga ako yun. Oyster, third day. Oyster again. Uy!
And you're still filming in the heart.
Still filming. But my baby is having tantrums. Yan talaga na pag ano. Multitasking.
Kita mo yun? May ginawa si Amari.
What? Anong ginawa ni Mari?
Laway yun, bunso ko man. Nagyan siya, malam
Eat na with ano, Duda. Hintayin natin yung chicken, yung barbecue chicken.
Ay, hindi lagi halang ang ano.
Hindi talaga
Ano condition ko?
Don't wish to have.
Don't wish to have it, bro. I look like I have bites on my legs. I look like I have chicken pox. Did I get chicken pox?
Siya.
Excuse me. Oh, eh?
Yummy, yummy.
Mari. Ma, stop the video. No.
Very strong. Kasi strong yung wind.
Yes, the wind is moving to stay away
Kita mo yung mga big windmills kahapon? Very big, no?
That's why we move that a bit slow. Huh?
Maglipad po, ano po,
What?
ilipad po yung car ni Duda.